Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna teach you how did I install Blender inside this USB. So you can take Blender anywhere you want and you can run it on a computer or a laptop. So now let's begin. The first thing that we have to do is go to any browser and type Blender. Then go to blender.org and right here click on download. Now when you are on this page you're gonna click on Mac, Linux and other versions and try to find the one that says Windows Portable.zip. After you click that button, it's gonna start a download and you're just gonna have to wait until the download is ready. Now when you have this already downloaded file, you're gonna open up your downloads, you're gonna get this file and you're gonna move it to your drive or to your USB. Now when you have this file on your USB, you're gonna right click, then extract all and select the folder. The folder must be the USB in which you want to install Blender. So click select folder and that's it. Click on extract. Now this is gonna take a few minutes. In my computer it takes about 25 minutes to 30 minutes. So just wait. Now after you extract all the files, you just double click this folder, then select Blender. It's gonna take a few seconds to open since it's not installed on your computer, and that's it. That's how you can take Blender anywhere you want. And also the good news is that even if you have Blender installed on a USB, you can still use all of your add-ons as usual. But first you have to install and download the add-ons again. For example, I have this file that it's an add-on. The name of it is screencast_keys and this file is on my USB. So if I want to install this add-on on Blender, all I have to do is click on Edit, then on Preferences, go to Add-ons, and what I'm gonna do is click on this arrow that is pointing down, then on Install from Disk, go to your USB, click on the file that ends on .zip and click on Install from Disk. Now this add-on is already installed, so you can turn it off or turn it on, and as you can see here I can show everything I click on my computer or my keyboard, it's now on screen. That's just the add-on, so you can see that it's easy to install and there is no big issue if you have it installed on your computer or on a USB. And that's it for today's video. Hope that you like it and that you find it useful. Please remember to leave a like, subscribe, and if you have a question or a doubt, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching and see you on the next time.
Now that we have reached this part of the video, I'm going to take this moment and invite you to buy my exclusive guide called How to Make Your First $100 with Blender. I have been working online for more than 4 years, and just in my free time I generated more than $8,000 as a freelancer. In my guide I'm going to teach you everything, from the basic concepts to the most advanced tricks that will help you stand out in the world of 3D design. This guide will help you know which of all the methods to make money with Blender is the best for you. So if you're ready to start your way to your first $100, just find the link in the description and buy my guide on my Gumroad page.